Hi, ma'am, sir. How are you? I'm Annalisa de la Cruz. I'm 43 years old. I'm working before Qatar. I serve a couple and they have 3 kids. My work there is taking care kids, cleaning, washing, and ironing, marketing. And my second work in Hong Kong. I serve there and a couple, and they have 2 kids also. My work there is cleaning the house and then cooking, ironing clothes, and sometimes I bring kids in the park and outside in the the mall. And then my third job in Dubai. I work in Dubai since 2022 to 25. I serve in a couple and they have 3 kids also. And my work are the same: cleaning, washing, cooking. But I focus in the 2 kids because her 2 kids they have some little autism. So I focus with the 2 girls, and sometimes I play with them, and then I'm make answering the assignment, and then I bring outside in the park, in the mall, or sometimes they have activities in outside, so I bring them with their activities. Thank you, mom. I'm happy to work in your house. Thank you. God bless.